Hello friends, handmade rugs are more durable. Unlike machines, handcrafting anything requires a much longer time. Still, the slower process promises a more considered approach with every thread, resulting in better made and higher quality carpets that are more durable. We all know that anything that is handmade and needs human expertise, skill, and time will cost more than mass-produced, machine-made things. The same applies to rugs as well. The hand-knotted rugs, which are made by hand by weaving each knot individually in a specially designed loom, are, therefore, the most expensive.